Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you guys a demo marble ink nail tutorial. And no, I did not go ahead and buy them. I said they were expensive in my last video, and I've been trying to make my own. So I did go ahead and make two colors, and I just was playing around with them, and I posted this picture on Instagram, and you guys requested a tutorial on it. So here it is. I'm starting off with a white base, and on top of that base I am going to apply my no wipe matte gel top coat, and I did cure in between each layer of gel for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so these are the alcohol inks that I made, and there are a million alcohol ink DIY videos on YouTube. However, I really made just that small amount, which is my 1.5 bottle. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, tell me in the comment section below. Hit me a thumbs up emoji, and I will do an update to this video. So I was playing around with these inks to see how well they work on the nail, and I posted a picture on Instagram, and you guys requested a video, so here it is. So I found using 99% alcohol and a 3D brush gives me a really good veined marble. What I do is I wet my brush with my 99% alcohol, I press the excess liquid on a paper towel, and then I touch random spots on the sections of the nails. Now if I'm working with the blue section, I will only touch the blue section, and if I'm working with the pink section, I'll only touch the pink section when I start my marble. And each time I go in, the colors will then start to blend into each other. Now you don't want too much alcohol on your brush, because too much alcohol is going to cause a hot mess. And as you guys notice, I'm using a patting motion, and I find using my 3D brush gives me a better marble than a small detailed brush or anything like that. Another thing I can suggest when doing a marble is if you think you need to add some more color, you can go right in and do that. It's not set in stone. You work with it until you're happy with it. So I just went in and added some more pink because that blue is very pigmented, even in its regular Sharpie form. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that pink into the blue. Now to know that you have a really clean marble, you need to see that white peeking through. Some shades of light blue, some shades of light pink, dark blue, and where the colors meet you get a purple. So you need to have a variety of colors coming through, and of course you need to show those nice clean veins as well. Sometimes those veins are not going to come naturally, so what I do is when I put the alcohol on the nail, sometimes it would run to one side. So you just clean your brush off, don't put any more alcohol in it, just clean your brush off and hit that nail from the opposite direction, and then the alcohol will create the veins. So when I was finished with it, I did allow it to dry, and then I went in with my no wipe gel top coat, and that was it. I didn't need to go in and outline any veins or anything like that. It was so gorgeous, and I was really happy with the way that it turned out. I am thinking of doing some more of these quick demo videos, and if you guys enjoyed it, tell me in the comment section below what demo tutorials you're interested in seeing. It will be mostly in real time, and I'll be talking through the majority of the video. There'll be barely any music. So if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with anybody that just loves recreating or creating an awesome marble, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And while you're there, turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat the next time I upload a new video. So that is it guys, I am out. As always, I would love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.